At the beginning of COVID, when the news were so depressing and we were seeing how much suffering there was in New York and other parts, as a group, we thought we needed to come up with an idea to give back, to help some of the healthcare workers that were doing so much for us. We knew that as a small business, we couldn't help all of the healthcare workers in the world or the country or the state. So we went through a selection process. We requested nominations. In our area, we received over 100 nominations, and every entry was touching.
I work at the UNC Healthcare in Eden, North Carolina. I sanitize in the operating room after surgery and any other area that I'm needed. My boss had this flyer that she wanted me to take a look at. On it, it had like the $20,000 bedroom makeover. And she was like, "What do you think about it?" And I said, "That's wonderful, you know. Whoever wins it is a lucky person." And so she said, "What if I told you won?" And I was like, "Okay, yeah, Ashton Kutcher, come on out." I'm looking forward to the reveal date. I'm like a kid right now. I'm excited, very excited.
Today we're going to be demoing to prepare for Marta's design. So what's next is we'll be framing closets, sheetrock, preparing the ceiling for paint.
We had our first conversation meeting with Linda. She was so excited, and we were really trying to get a grasp of what her style was and what she liked.
So style-wise, we wanted to make sure we stayed transitional. She likes a little bit of global influence and just a little bit of glam in there as well. So just to make it the perfect kind of master suite.
When word first got out that we were doing this, our entire design community stepped in and offered to participate. So the $20,000 budget that we started with grew and became much more. This is your new bedroom.
My God. Beautiful. I am really excited about my makeover. As I walked in, I could really feel the time that they put into it and the care and the happiness and the fun that they had doing it. I could really feel it when I came in.
It's beautiful. Look at walking in another place. It's more serious for her to get in contact with COVID, and she fights it every day. And I pray daily that the Lord protects her, and I just really appreciate this blessing that she received, because she really deserves it.